Benz roof scrapers are essential softwash equipment for anyone who's serious about making softwashing roofs easier, safer and more profitable. Before a roof is softwashed, it should be scraped up heavy moss. This prepares the roof for a treatment of Benz Cleanze. Cleanze will kill the remaining unsightly growths that make a roof look dirty and leaves nature to wash away the remains of the growths over time. Benz scrapers enable the prep work to be achieved by working quickly and safely from the eaves of a roof, which means no more climbing on roofs. This massively reduces labour, health and safety hazards, and risk of damage to the roof. The scraper head unit and profiled blades have been precision engineered, which means they are the most efficient on the market and are extremely robust. If you're in the business of softwashing roofs and have never used a professionally designed and accurately profiled roof moss scraper before, you'll be amazed at the difference it will make to your working day, making it both far easier and more profitable. Learn more about Benz moss scrapers at benzsoftwash.com.